Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the pan ready. Scrub with hot water and a stiff brush to remove factory residue, then dry it thoroughly. Once dry, put the pan on medium heat until any remaining moisture evaporates and the surface warms. Make sure to add about 1 teaspoon of a high-smoke oil, like grapeseed, and rub it in one direction to form a thin, even film. Wipe off excess oil so the layer will bond without pooling. Once the oil is applied, heat the pan on medium-high until the oil just begins to smoke. This helps polymerize the fat into a durable layer. After initial stovetop heating, place the pan upside down in a 450 degrees F oven for about 1 hour so excess drips away and the film cures evenly. Make sure to let it cool before repeating. You want 2 to 3 thin coats rather than 1 thick coat because thin layers bond and create a smoother, more nonstick finish. You finish by letting the pan cool completely, then store it in a dry spot with a paper towel inside to absorb moisture. For everyday cleaning, use hot water and a stiff brush, dry over low heat, and rub a thin layer of oil while warm. Avoid soaking or heavy soap which strips seasoning. If food sticks or rust appears, scrub to bare metal if necessary, dry, and immediately apply 1 to 2 thin seasoning coats in the oven to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.